Welcome to JS's Trainings, where we explore the intriguing concept of averaging down. Is it a smart strategy or a silent wealth killer? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine a stock you own falls by 20%. Many investors might think, great, I'll average down. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't average businesses. They average mistakes. So when is averaging down smart? And when should you just book the loss and move on? Averaging down is not an act of bravery or conviction. It's a capital allocation decision. Remember, a lower price doesn't mean lower risk. It often signifies higher uncertainty. Averaging down only makes sense if certain conditions are met. Fundamentals are intact, earnings are strong, and the balance sheet is robust. If the fall is due to market correction, sector rotation, or temporary sentiment shock, and if you'd buy the stock today, even without owning it earlier, then average down by all means. That's because the price fell, but the value did not. Never average down if earnings are consistently falling, debt is rising just to survive, management credibility is damaged, or the original story has changed. Lowering your average cost might feel comforting, but comfort is not an investing metric. Consider exiting if you've held the stock for over 6 months, the broader market is booming, your stock is flat or falling, and there's no visible catalyst to spur stock value. Capital has an opportunity cost. So don't lock it in a sleeping stock while the market is wide awake. Here's a simple decision framework. If your stock has a strong business in a weak market, average down. If it's a weak business in a strong market, exit. If the story is broken, exit immediately. And if hope is your only reason, you should have exited yesterday. My take is simple. I don't average down mistakes. I average down quality, and I exit mediocrity without emotion. This is my take on the strategy of averaging down. I have a 3-way test on the question, whether you should average down. Here's a simplified decision tree. Are fundamentals intact? If yes, next test. Is the fall market-led? If yes, next test. Would you buy it fresh today? If yes, average down. If the answer is no at any stage, exit the stock. Ego averages, but discipline reallocates. Thank you for joining us. Follow this channel to stay updated. If you like this video, do let me know by liking it or posting a comment. I reply to all. Lots of videos are coming up, covering every aspect of investments. Stay tuned.